Hey everyone. So if you watch Monday nights live, Alan had done a pour with this little contraption. It's from an infusion cup where you would put your fruit in here and then screw it back onto the lid of the cup and let the fruit soak in your water. So we are going to do this on black. He did it on white. And I'm going to use an array of turquoise, some pewter from Craftsmart, and one little hit of purple just to balance out some of the turquoises. I'm using a paper cup because it's easier to pinch the side, and I've already sprayed this with the WD-40 silicone spray. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to start with white, and I'm going to follow that with some pewter, and some whispering turquoise. And I think I'll go with the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and then my purple, and some blue flash, which will also pour a little purple on the black, a little bit more white, a little more pewter, a little bit of this whispering turquoise, and the metallic, and the blue flash, and a little bit of purple. I want to use this purple up, that's why I'm pulling. Okay. So I'm just going to pinch the cup. Now you can do this as a dirty pour like you would do a flip cup and let the colors intermingle. I just layered them in because I want to see what's going to happen. Now when I pour into this, it has 4 rows. On my first trial run, it only hit the first 2. You have to pour it really fast, so you're pretty much dumping your paint. Pretty. Just let that spread out a little bit before I remove that. The cup is gorgeous. I'm going to flip that over and get skin out of that. I think we're about empty. So I'm going to pick it up and slide my hand under so we don't drip. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to start tilting because we have quite a bit of paint there we can move. Get it all together. I'm going to head down here first. Now you could just move that so that it stays on the canvas in that design itself, but you have to stretch that paint out a little bit anyway. Okay, so that's looking pretty interesting. The metallics will be beautiful when they dry. So we'll pull those little edges down. hand's pretty. Black is so messy to work with, isn't it? Alright, so I want to give this a really good torch. See, I really don't need any more cells, that's for sure, but I want to pop air bubbles. I did pull some black there from it, and a little bit here. Just give it a little bit of highlight. So subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. The links are all below. We've introduced Stone Coat art resin to our channel. The code is below. Purchase $80 worth of product and get $30 off. But you have to put, if you're going to get the 2 metallics with your Stone Coat, pick your 2 metallics and put them in your cart before you add your code. Otherwise it won't work. So I was told that today from them. So make sure you have those in your cart with your art code, and then put your code in. So shop with me on Amazon for all the tools that I use. And I'm running a sale on Etsy right now for all my paintings and my jewelry. Pretty. And you can check me out on Redbubble too. I have prints there that you can have things made out of. If you have a favorite painting of mine that's already gone, you can still get a print, or a cell phone case, or notebooks, all kinds of little merchandise things they have that they put our prints on. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye now.